So I did do my concealer already in my brows, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do a look with my contour and my eyeshadow. So I hope y'all guys stay tuned and watch. So I'm about to start doing my brows, the top of my concealer. That's what I start with first. I did my base and my concealers. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe flat brush, which is, this ain't a Morphe, this is Sephora flat brush. This is not my Morphe one, this is a Sephora flat brush. You can really get any flat brush and get it as flat as you can, so you can be precise with your lines when you're doing your brows to get the perfect brow arch. You want to turn this one out. Hello. Okay, Tess, come on through. Bring that douce. Go ahead and grab them Swiss release. You already know we about to blow a few woods when we keep that, boy. Don't play. Get your right now. I'm on my way. Click. I see you scrolling on my IG. You ain't gotta keep on double tapping me. I got a question. Do you wanna see me? But it won't be a picture, it'll be in 3D. And if you don't, keep it on the PG. Boy, stop lusting, playing with your little imagining what you can do to me. Like Mariah Carey, touch on my body, but you can only see it through your iPhone screen. Let me tell you a little something about me. I'm a Virgo, even though I'm freaky bitch and I heard her. I like it nasty, I'm real classy. Go buy me a Louis bag with some Dolce & Gabbana. Don't forget the Gucci. I'll pull the dick out and let you taste me. Leave you mesmerized off this good this juicy. Boy, tell me how you wanna do me. Do you wanna do me on the balcony or in the jacuzzi? We in Miami, and on the balcony, just like some gorillas in the jungle. We is happy, just warm. I can feel it in my deep throat. You like when I gargle it and I don't choke. You like when I throw it back. You like when I make it clap, talk shit when I write it back. And you know that's a fat booty little butt. As y'all see, this is the finished look. This wig isn't glued out. It is very much glueless, but baby, it's given. Look at the deets.